Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your chef from guruscooking.in with
Ching's Veg Hakka Noodles. We'll begin by boiling 2 packets of these noodles first. So here is the first packet that I'm gonna drop into hot 1 liter of boiling water. Please make sure, friends, that the water is boiling before you add the noodles. I have observed many of you add the noodles first into the water and then try to bring it to a boil, which is really wrong. That is not how you boil noodles of any kind. Once these noodles are cooked for around 3 to 4 minutes, we will extract them because we have to cook them only 90% is what you need to remember. They need to be slightly raw, thoda sa kacha. So it's been almost 3 minutes now, friends. I'm gonna extract them and pass them through a sieve by discarding this hot water and run them through running cold water. We do that to stop the process of cooking of these noodles immediately. And now we'll spread them over a clean surface. I'm using my chopping board, and once you spread them, you will also sprinkle 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. This avoids the noodles from sticking to each other. So mix it up nicely and toss it around. Spread it so that they don't stick, and we'll keep it aside. We'll be using them later on. We'll grab a wok. To this I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, you pop in spring onion bulbs and juliennes of carrot and stir fry them nicely at a high flame. What you have to remember, just like the noodles, we will also not cook the vegetables for a very long time. Just stir fry for a minute or 2 and then add the rest of the ingredients. Here goes red and yellow bell pepper, which has been again chopped into juliennes. Juliennes are long and nice and slim, just like the noodles, so they gel well and their vibrancy also offers a good texture to the noodles. Friends, the most important ingredient which is nutritious and healthy and also tasty for especially the noodles is the cabbage, which I have chopped like, same thing, juliennes, and this is a large amount of cabbage that I'm adding, a large bowl of it, and I'll toss it along. And also remember, cabbage takes less time to cook compared to the other ingredients. That is why it was added towards the end. So now we'll stir fry this for just 1 minute, and then we'll add our noodles at the top. And now goes in a very secret ingredient, Ching secret Chowmein Hakka Noodles Masala. Just 1 packet of this is enough. We'll sprinkle it nicely. You don't have to add salt separately, it already contains salt. And just we'll sprinkle 2 tablespoons of water over this so that this masala smears on each and every bit of the noodle and the veggies, and toss it around nicely, cooking at a high flame. If you're not comfortable with 1 ladle, as I'm demonstrating for you here, you can use 2 ladles. It'll be easy for you to do this at your kitchen. So friends, all you have to do right now is just keep mixing it until everything incorporates well, and in the end sprinkle a little green stalk of the spring onion, which is the tail, and it looks beautiful as garnished. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching Veg Hakka Noodles using Ching secret Chowmein masala for the noodles. Also, you can enjoy these recipes, and thank you so much for watching again. Take care.